When you're looking at how long it takes to build a Shopify store, it can take anywhere from 20 minutes to a year plus, depending on how many products you have, how big your store is, how many custom features you have, and etc. But for most people, you can get started in 20 minutes or less like this. But there's a couple key features that you have to look at, key points. There's 4 of them. First is the actual store getting a theme. The second thing is how long it's going to take you to customize it, like adding images, changing the titles on pages, adding products and things like this. You also want to look at getting a domain for the store and then how to add analytics to your store so you can track where people are coming from. So these are the 4 main points of how long it really will take to build a Shopify store. So let's break it down. The first part, getting a theme. This part is pretty simple. You can either go to the Shopify website and get a theme from there, like the Dawn theme, and just download it and get started. But a lot of times these themes are basic, they don't have too many custom features, there's a lot of colors that you can't really change. It's a very basic theme. And so that's why we've gone ahead and hand coded from scratch some custom themes that you can check in the link in our description. Download those themes and get started today with a custom theme and a lot of customizable features that you can change. So once you have this theme, the next thing that you want to do is take it to the theme editor. Go in and you want to change the images. You want to add your products that you're going to be selling on your store. You want to make it custom to your brand. You want to change it to the colors that you have on your brand so that people can recognize your brand when they visit your website. You want to put your logo on there. Things like this to make people come to your website and realize that, okay, this brand belongs to this website. After that, the thing that you want to do is you want to get a domain for the website. You can go to a website like Namecheap, get a domain for very cheap, anywhere from $4 to $10 is very cheap, and connect that to your Shopify store. Once you have this, the last thing really is to add analytics to your store. Shopify has analytics. You can also add Google Analytics as you want, as an extra source. So that way you can track where visitors are coming from, which pages they're going to, how long they're staying on the page, and more. So to recap, the 4 things to keep in mind when looking at how long it takes to build a Shopify store. That getting the actual theme, customizing it, editing it, making it custom to your brand, adding analytics, and getting a domain. So this is really what you want to keep in mind when looking at how long it takes to build a store. And if you need extra help building a store, you can take a look at our Fiverr page and link in the description. We have our services there. And if you also want to get a custom theme to get you up and running, we also have that link in our description. Questions about how to get your store started, send us an email and we'll get with you shortly.